Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and stylish SUV, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 might just be the perfect choice. Toyota has taken everything drivers love about the RAV4 and enhanced it for the new model year. From its bold exterior to its tech-packed interior, the RAV4 continues to deliver on performance, comfort, and practicality. Let's start with the design. The 2025 RAV4 features a refreshed front fascia that gives it a more aggressive and modern look. Sleek LED headlights and a reworked grille make the SUV stand out whether you're on the highway or parked in the city. The wheel options have been updated too, with available 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels that add to its athletic appearance. The rugged trim levels like the Adventure and TRD Off-Road still offer that signature tough look, with higher ground clearance and black cladding that screams capability. Under the hood, the RAV4 continues to offer a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's not just about power, though. The RAV4 is also efficient, with an EPA-estimated 30 mpg combined for front-wheel drive models. If you're more eco-conscious, there's the hybrid version, which combines the same 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for a total output of 219 horsepower. It gets up to 41 mpg in the city, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. For those who want the best of both worlds, Toyota is continuing with the RAV4 Prime, the plug-in hybrid version that offers up to 42 miles of electric-only range and a combined 302 horsepower. It's quick, smooth, and great for daily commutes or weekend getaways. Inside, the 2025 RAV4 keeps comfort and technology front and center. The cabin is spacious, with plenty of headroom and legroom in both the front and rear seats. Materials feel high quality, especially in the XLE Premium and Limited trims, where you get Softex upholstery, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and ambient interior lighting. The cargo area offers over 37 cubic feet of space behind the second row, and when you fold the seats down, that expands to nearly 70 cubic feet, more than enough for road trips, camping gear, or a weekend haul from the hardware store. Technology-wise, the RAV4 is loaded. Every model now comes standard with a 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Toyota's latest software interface. It's compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and higher trims add a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an upgraded JBL sound system. There's also a built-in voice assistant, cloud-based navigation, and over-the-air updates to keep everything current. Safety is a major priority for Toyota, and the 2025 RAV4 comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This includes features like pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign recognition. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are also standard on most trims, giving you added peace of mind on the road. Driving the RAV4 is a pleasure. It handles well in urban environments, offers solid ride comfort on longer trips, and the all-wheel drive system adds confidence when the weather turns bad. The TRD off-road trim even includes special suspension tuning and all-terrain tires if you want to explore beyond the pavement. With a wide range of trims, powertrain options, and features, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues to be one of the most versatile and well-rounded compact SUVs on the market. Whether you're a commuter, an adventurer, or a busy family, the RAV4 fits the bill. It's efficient, capable, and packed with value, all while maintaining Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability. Thanks for watching. If you're considering a new SUV this year, the 2025 RAV4 should definitely be on your test drive list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more automotive reviews and updates.